So good evening, Indu, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for letting me be part of this.
Thank you very much for agreeing to be a judge for Distance Shakespeare. It's something different, and I guess it's a learning experience for all of us. So, first thing we want,
Definitely, yeah,
the first thing we wanted to do, Indu, is also to ask the judges a couple of questions so that our participants, we have 8 teams registered at present. We hear there are 2 more teams who plan on registering, so fingers
yeah,
crossed. But for the 8 teams that are participating, we want to tell them what you guys expect from them. So they have
okay,
a couple of weeks still left for them to practice. They need to
yeah,
understand what you are looking for as a judge. So
okay,
I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, and you, but are free to give the contestants insight into what you're looking for. So the first question, Indu, is what are you
hmm.
looking for in each individual actor?
Well, uh, as in the normal Shakespeare competition, which is always characterization, uh, the way you speak. Now, when I say diction, I don't expect them. I never expected them to talk like the British or with an accent or whatever.
Right.
But as long as I feel that they have understood the text, because I think from the very beginning I have always felt the Shakespeare competition was all about children and even adults understanding and appreciating the text. So whether they have actually understood what they're reciting or what they're saying, even in a normal play, even if I have written the play, I always say you need to understand what you're saying. You need to believe it if you can make it before you can make an audience believe.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah. So basically that is what it's interpretation of the character is what I would be looking for, and whether they have understood the text and the characterization, the interpretation of the character.
Right. Thank you, Indu. The second question we have is from the team as a collective.
Yeah.
What are you looking for in the team or from the team that is taking part? Each participant group, what would you look in, or what would you look at from them? What would your expectations be?
Well, I firmly believe acting is an action that brings about a reaction. So the interaction, now this is where it's going to be very different and new.
Correct.
Because it's distance
yes, it's a challenge. It's much harder actually. We've tried it, so it's a lot harder. So actors need to react, I guess, as you mentioned.
Yeah, and also it's actually working as a team, because even if you're not next to each other, there's no physical sometimes to show
contact.
Yeah, but
you need to still show the physical contact.
Yeah,
in some way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I think those 2 questions are fairly clear. The next question, Indu, is a little more personal to help the teams gather an insight into the person Indu and how you would therefore judge. So the question is, as a theatre practitioner, actor, director, and one-time drama competition participant, because I think you also mentioned that you've participated in Shakespeare or a couple of other competitions. What do you see as the most important thing that you'll be looking for from the contestants in this competition?
Well, generally I would expect a balanced performance from everyone, not just one character that's fantastic and the others mediocre. I would actually like to see where everyone is of the same level, the same standard. Actually, that's something. And I normally effects and special effects don't really
debated special effects.
Well, now, if it was on stage, lighting and that kind of, I'm not talking about creativity. Like, for example, I don't know whether I should mention these things, but I know a certain school produced an excerpt of Macbeth, which was like in a chessboard, the whole set and everything. So, I mean, that's creative. It's not really using any gimmicks.
Correct. 99
Yeah.
St. Joseph's College, if I were to mention the school, and say 100 rifles.
Yes. So, so there are, and then I've seen some schools actually do an excerpt, like, bring the whole Shakespeare, the play into like modern Sri Lankan society.
Yes. Okay.
So,
that you would think is creativity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because actually we all say Shakespeare is eternal. Then in which case it should fit into our present day society as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's fairly clear, Indu. Thank you very much for giving off your time. First of all, for being the judge, and also for giving us this opportunity to record you and in sort of your ideas and your expectations from the contestants. The contestants. And so this will be posted on social media and sent out to them as well. And we'll let you know exactly when the competitions are handled, because we, unfortunately, elections were called on the 5th. So I think there's been a few concerns from the contestants about the date. So we will speak to them within this weekend, and we will get back to you and the rest of the judges and try and work out a date on that. So there is some concerns about when the competition is scheduled because of the elections. I didn't see an issue, but if the schools and the other groups have a legitimate problem, then we may need to reschedule so that everyone is comfortable.
Yeah.
But I will fix the dates with the judges also. And we're talking of 8 teams for now. So that's roughly 4 hours of judging. So let's see how we handle it and how we sing it. We'll get back to you on that. So thanks a lot, Indu. And I won't keep you any longer. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Yes, you too. Say hi to Sandy for us as well.
I will.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.